Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm teacher Ahmed and today's lesson is about Jerash for 8th grade, module number 6, part 1. So let's get started. Okay guys, now look at this picture. So this picture is Jerash and this picture also is Jerash. But this they call it the ancient Jerash, and this they call it the modern Jerash. So let's know the difference between them. Okay guys, now open your student's book, page 66. So here look at these pictures. So the first picture is the ancient Jerash and the other is the modern Jerash. So here read the articles. اقرأ المقالتين. What's the difference between ancient and modern Jerash? وما الفرق بين جرش القديمة والحديثة? Now today we are going to read the first article. اليوم سوف نقرأ المقال الأول and we'll find out the part of speech, meaning, and we are going to write some questions. إذن اليوم سوف نقرأ المقال الأول about the ancient Jerash عن جرش القديمة and سوف نستخرج المعاني وأجزاء الكلام وسوف نكتب بعض الأسئلة. Okay guys, now prepare your notebook and write the day, the date, and the subject. And don't forget to divide your notebook into 2 parts. The first part for meaning and the other part for find out. So, let's start. Ancient Jerash. Jerash القديمة. So what is the part of speech of ancient? So it is adjective وهي صفة. Jerash it is proper noun وهي اسم علم. The ancient city of Jerash is around 50 km north of Amman, Jordan. إذا تقع مدينة جرش القديمة على بعد 50 كيلومتر شمال عمان الأردن. So this sentence it is fact وهذه الجملة هي حقيقة. So now let's find out some part of speech. So what is the part of speech of the? So it is article وهي أداة تعريف. Here we have around. So around it is preposition وهي حرف جر. Of also it is preposition وأيضا of هي حرف جر. Here we have Amman it is proper noun وهي اسم علم, and Jordan also it is proper noun. People have lived there for over 5,000 years. إذا وقد عاش الناس هناك لأكثر من 5,000 سنة. So here people الناس it is plural noun وهي اسم جمع. They refer to ancient Jerash تعود على جرش القديمة. And the growth of civilization. Civilization it means الحضارة can be seen. إذا يمكن رؤية نمو الحضارة by comparing the ancient and modern parts of the city من خلال مقارنة الأجزاء القديمة والحديثة من المدينة. So if you go to Jerash, so you can compare between the ancient and the modern Jerash. إذا بإمكانك مقارنة بين جرش القديمة والحديثة from their building من خلال بناياتها. Now let's know about their building in paragraph 2. But here we have some part of speech, so let's find it. So here can, it is modal verb. Seen, it is irregular verb وهي فعل غير منتظم, and it is past participle form وهي تصريف الثالث. Comparing, it is gerund. Here we have modern, it is adjective, and part, it is plural noun وهي اسم جمع. Now let's know about ancient Jerash. In its first 100 years as a Roman city, في المئة العام الأولى كمدينة رومانية. Jerash became very rich. إذا أصبحت جرش غنية جدا. Why؟ ما السبب؟ Because it was on important trade routes. لأنها كانت على طرق تجارية مهمة. إذا كانت أصبحت جرش غنية لأنها كانت على طرق تجارية مهمة. So here we have in, it is preposition وهي حرف جر. Became, it is irregular verb and it is past simple form وهي تصريف ثاني. Here we have rich, it is adjective, and here we have because, it is linking word وهي كلمة ربط أنها ربطت الجملة الأولى مع الجملة الثانية. By this time, في خلال هذا الوقت أو بحلول هذا الوقت, so let's talk about in the past. Jerash had many great buildings. إذا جرش كانت تملك بنايات رائعة جدا. إذا كانت تملك العدد من البنايات الرائعة. So here they are talking about their buildings. They're talking about their buildings. So let's know about them. Including, وتتضمن هذه البنايات a forum. Forum, it means منتدى للنقاش. So they are gathering together for discussion. إذا أنه كانوا يجتمعوا للنقاش or for meeting. 2 theaters, وهناك أيضا كان مسرحين. 2 baths, وحمامين. And a chariot racing track, ومسار لسباق العربة. So Jerash had great buildings. إذا جرش كانت تملك بنايات رائعة. So these are formula: 2 theaters, 2 baths, and chariot racing track. Okay guys, now, so what is the part of speech of had? It is irregular verb, and here it is main verb هي فعل رئيسي. Here we have many, it is a quantifier. And here we have and, it is linking words وهي كلمة رابط. So here we have buildings, including and racing. So these are gerund. Here we have a, it is article. And here we have to, and it is adjective وهي صفة. Okay, so you have to write these find out in your notebook. And now let's move to the meaning. Okay guys, now let's move to the meaning part. So draw this table in your notebook and try to guess the meaning or to remember the meaning. Number 1, ancient, ancient, and it means قديم. Number 2, modern, modern, and it is the opposite of ancient, and it means عصري. Number 3, civilization, civilization, and it means حضارة. Number 4, comparing, comparing, and it means المقارنة. Number 5 trade routes. Trade routes and it means طرق التجارة. Number 6 buildings. Buildings and it means البنايات. Number 7 firm. Firm and it means منتدى للنقاش أو منتدى للاجتماع. Number 8 theaters. Theaters and it means المسارح. Number 9 baths. Baths and it means الحمامات. Number 10 and it is the last word track. Track and it means المسار. Okay, now you have to write them in your notebook. Now let's move to the question part. Now I am going to write 5 questions and you have to write them down in your notebook and to answer them. إذن الآن سوف أكتب 5 أسئلة ويجب عليك نقلهم إلى دفترك والإجابة عنهم. Number 1 Where is Jerash located? Number 2 How many years have people lived in Jerash? Number 3 Why did Jerash become very rich? Number 4 Mention some buildings that Jerash had them. Number 5 Write an example of fact from the article. Okay guys, now you have to answer them from first article. إذن يجب عليك الإجابة عنهم من خلال المقال الأول. So the first article is about ancient Jerash. إذن المقال الأول هو عبارة عن جرش القديم. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope to enjoy this video and I will see you very soon. Assalamu alaikum.